Let us answer this question. Draw a table. Here we'll start. We will answer questions page 124. Draw a table to compare between the properties of metals and non-metals. I think we drew it when we were in the class, and I also sent it to you on the PowerPoint. Metals, they are good conductors. They are hard and malleable, shiny, and high. They have high melting and boiling point. While non-metals, they don't conduct electricity. Yani they are insulators, or they have low melting point and boiling point, and they are dull. They are not shiny. It's all written. Now here, use the evidence. Use the evidence to say if each material listed below A to C is a metal or non-metal, and give your reasons. A hard and shiny solid, good conductor of heat and electricity. What do you think? Yes, it is a metal because it's a good conductor. Number 2. B, a shiny liquid when put in a gap in an electrical circuit, it makes a connected loop. Yani it conducts electricity. A loop, electrical circuit. This is an electrical circuit like the one we did last time. Okay, so it means that it conducts electricity, but it is a liquid. Remember the gallium, when we said that it has a low melting point. When you put it in your hand, it changes from solid to liquid very fast. So this is gallium. It turns into a liquid, but it conducts electricity. A shiny solid used as an electrical insulator. This is an electrical insulator, so it's a non-metal. Okay, though it is a shiny solid, but it is an insulator. All these answers, you will find them here. You can pause this video and write them on your notebook, or you can find it in the PowerPoint I sent. Okay, last question, question 3. The cables coming out of a television are made of copper and covered with plastic. Suggest why these two materials are chosen. Why do you think? Why copper is used to make this wire? Because copper is a good electrical conductor, and it should be covered with plastic because plastic is a good insulator. Exactly like this wire. Inside this wire, there is a copper wire, but it should be covered with plastic, so the plastic will insulate it. Okay? So let us start with our new lesson. Now we're done talking about metals and non-metals. Today we will start a new chapter. Let me first ask you, how can we stop a car? Akid, by pushing on the brakes. How can you make things move? By pushing or pulling them. Yani everything, every object you can see here. I have a lot of objects. These objects will not move unless I push or pull them. Okay? So they will stay steady. They will not move. Can motion of objects be changed? Can it be changed? Can I change the motion? Motion yani movement. Can I change? Now it is moving. Can I stop it? I can stop it, right? Can I make it faster? Yes, when I push it more, it will move faster. So can I change the movement of this object? Yes. How? I either push it or pull it or stop it, right? So yes, by using something called forces. Forces. Anything I wanted to move, I should push it or pull it. I should have a power. This power in science, we call it forces. We call it a force. Force يعني قوة. Okay? طيب, look at these, the airplane, the car, and the bicycle. Which of them has the highest speed? يعني which of them is move faster than the other? أكيد the airplane has the highest speed, سرعتها, and then the car, and then comes the bicycle. So speed means how fast, okay? The speed of the airplane is the fastest, and then comes the car, and then the speed of the bicycle, okay? So we know now that force means power, قوة. Speed means how fast, okay? Today's lesson will be about forces change motion. Motion means the movement of objects. Some objects can move fast or slow, or they can be at rest, they don't move. If you open your book, page 190, you will find this lesson. The new words you will learn today are speed, motion, force, and friction. The objectives in today's lesson are we will recognize what is Newton's first law, and we will figure out what is meant by friction, and we will investigate what affects motion and draw a force. So how can you make things move? Either by pushing them or pulling them or stop things or move things up, or you can make objects fall. And all these can be done by forces. We said forces means power, makes things move. Okay, now here, when this car hits this block, what will happen to these blocks? Will they stay on the car, or they want to keep moving? They want to keep moving, right? Unless there is a force that stops them. طيب, what about this picture? Why do we wear seat belts? Why do we wear seat belts? Now, if you are moving in the car, and suddenly the driver stops the car, what happens? You will jerk forward. That's why we need to wear seat belts, so to stop us from keep moving. Any object wants to keep moving until there is a force, a power that stops it. And this, we find this in page 190 in your book that talks about Newton's first law. I want you all to open your books, page 190. You will find this here. An object will carry on moving with a steady speed, يعني the speed, how fast it moves, it will stay steady, ثابتة, in the same direction unless a force acts on it. Anything moves in the same direction and in the same speed unless you make a force on it. A car will not move faster unless you push the benzene button. The car will not change its direction unless you change the steering. All these are forces. Yani I can't change the motion of objects by using force.